Welcome to Efunnels, your one-stop high-performance solution to develop and manage your web empire and boost the sales of your product and services with exponential growth. With Efunnels, create your own online web empire without any help of information technology team. Be your own boss in both technology and marketing instantly. Efunnels is a world of possibilities when building up your online website, marketing funnels, sales letters, and much, much more. Sell, market, and boost your products or services online. Generate leads with your absolutely free integrated autoresponders to capture the information of your potential clients and follow them up from mailing lists in a fully automated manner. Not only this, you may create unlimited webinar and video pages and roll them out for free to educate and spread awareness to your audiences about your products and services. Develop premium sales letters and one-time offer pages within minutes to start converting your leads into your customers with end-to-end integrated payment services such as PayPal. Organize and plan the launch of your upcoming events and product or service launches with countdown and launch pages, once again, totally customizable. You may also create A/B split testing of your product variants and capture the real-time tracking of them with deep and Efunnels premium analytics insights. Now it's the turn of our game changer, introducing Dynamic Funnels, a fully automated cross-sell and upsell accelerator tool for your products and services, which motivates and presents to your customers your other products and services in offer to buy. Efunnels, your technology, sales, and marketing partner. Sign up now to propel your business's sales and growth instantly.